Hello, and welcome to Robot Repair. Step 1. You take the robot that was so graciously delivered to us from our anonymous benefactors, and you put on this thing. Then, doesn't matter how you do, which order you do it, but still. Use the future technology of the clean orcs to clean this thing. Well, if you just want to clean the torso, that's what's important. Nice in there. Do it. You do this until that checkbox over there lights up. There you go. That's the sound that means you've met your very low criteria. Cleaning the robot. You continue to clean him, but whatever. Next you remove the bad limbs with the screwdriver. That's how screwdrivers work in the future. Then you get new limbs from that thing using this. What's annoying is that sometimes it detects the head. Yeah, that's probably good enough. Anyway, I'm just gonna pick that up. Right there. Taking the arm. That there. There you are. Oh, stuff it away. Get the next arm. That in. And the head is a little bit special. Just drop it there like that. Plug this in. And now it's asking for a read to make sure it's optimal. So you use these card things. It detects it's the card and it's blue. Whatever. That's enough. That's the sign that shows it's a good enough head. Then you just put it on the robot. You could use a different head for both processes, but whatever. Let's just pretend. And now he's complete. Once all the criteria is met, then you push this button to power him up. Bye. And then it just restarts.